Hey everyone, welcome back. Here is a video clip of me upgrading the IKEA Tarva dresser. So I start off by taking a scraper and my putty, my wall putty, and I fill in where the previous holes were from the original pulls, and I sand it down with a fine grit sander. All the details will be in the description box below. Once I allow that to sit, which it doesn't need that much time, I go in with my paint on a roller brush because it'll be like 10 times easier than using a handheld brush. And I cover the top and I make sure I get the sides as well. These are the pulls I went with for these two drawers here, and it'll just be one here, one there for these. So I'm gonna place these on now after 3 coats. And here's what the pulls look like. So I'm just going to repeat that one more time, and then I'll show you guys how I measure everything out for the other pulls. So for the other drawers whose holes we filled, I decided to go with these pulls. And again, I got these off of Amazon. Okay, for this last bit, it's a little bit tricky. What I did was measure the length of the drawer, find the center, and then for the handles that I'll be using, I measured that they were 6 inches apart. So I made sure I measured the length, the sides, the distance between the handles on each side, as well as the front and the back. A lot of measurements going on. For an easier alternative, you could just glue the pulls down to the drawer, but I wanted something a little bit more sturdy. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you're not already subscribed, think about joining my family and check out any other videos that you may like. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.